How can we stop being victims of celebrity worship? And the reason you are not a celebrity now, you are not celebrated in your chosen field, is that you are spending too much time watching and stalking, fighting for those celebrities, while you should be working on the celebrity within you. So, what to do is set your goals right. Be passionate about your goals. Invest your time and energy and other resources in developing what you already have, the skills that you have. You will have less time left to be worshiping a celebrity. Then also get information like the one piece of information I've given us about Kanye West, about Michael Jackson, my former student now. You will realize that it is not worth it worshiping a celebrity. And by the time you have developed yourself to a level, you will the celebrities will lose their grips on you.